Alright, so it's like 2:30. I was going to do some work today, but pretty much, man, I am just sore and dead beat. I might go out later and do some prep work, but probably not. I'm probably just going to chill. So I decided to go ahead and make this meatloaf. It's close enough to dinner time, and if I do it now and then close up the house as I've got the windows open to help ventilate the heat out from cooking, it should work out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and stick this in the oven, or the air fryer rather, at 325 for the first 25 minutes. Oh. First 25 minutes is how we're going to do this. Cook it slow. Remember, when you're cooking with cannabis, what's in that infusion, whether it's butter, olive oil, cooking oil, whatever, is keef. That's pretty much what you've infused with it. You know, if you've got a grinder with a keef catcher, you know what I'm talking about. That's pretty much what you're catching, in addition to the fat taking in all of the cannabinoids in other ways. So basically, what you don't want to do is cook stuff on high. You want to marinate, and then you want to kind of cook it at a lower temperature and take a little bit more time, because you do not want to burn the keef. It would be like taking a lighter to the keef and burning it. You know, I mean, once you've smoked it, once you've burned it, there's nothing in there. And it's the same way with cooking, is the best way I can describe it. You don't want to burn the bowl. You know, you're basically corner hitting it and making it last longer, instead of just roasting everything to nothing, where it's a smoldering nothing. All right, time to go hit the bong. Talk to you soon.